Greetings everyone. My name is Dhruv Rawat and I am here with Surya Thakur. We are here to present our project in front of you. So the name of our project is SOSmart Accident Alert App. Now I assume most of you would be thinking that this is a simple application which would be telling this is an accident prone area and this is not. Sorry, it's not a simple application, but it is an application which can save millions of lives. So now coming to the logo of our project. So here is our logo. We have tried to keep the logo simple and crisp so that it can describe our project itself. Now coming to the introduction of our project. Introduction to our project. This I would be sharing a basic idea of this project and the further explanation will be given by
Surya.
some people die not because of an accident but because of late healthcare facilities. So our project would be targeting these problems and will be contacting nearby police stations, hospitals, blood banks, etc. just after the accident. So to share, to explain this basic idea further, I would like to show you a video which I made for better explanation.
If any car meets with an accident and people present inside it faint, so the device connected to the OBM port of the car will retard the speed as well as will activate the accident alert app in mobile. This mobile app will further inform nearby hospitals, blood bank, etc. fed in its data through GPS. So in this way, this device will protect mankind and assist hospitals.
So let me now just explain the working of this project. This project works using GPS, GSM and shock sensors. GPS is global positioning system and you all better know what it is. It is used in popular apps for navigation such as Google Maps, Apple Maps or Ola, Uber, etc. Now GSM. It is global system for mobile communication and its name better suggests its purpose. And lastly, shock sensors. Do I need to explain them too? I think you better now know that why these three components are necessary. So when an accident happens, first we derive location using GPS and then GSM module will become active and will interact with the microcontroller. Now, the exact location of the accident, the place where the accident has occurred, will be derived, and then GSM module will send an alert message to the number that the user has registered and to the nearby police stations and hospitals so that the help can reach in time and there is no loss of life.
Now the question comes why we need this project? Why we worked on this project? So for this question, I am having 3 pointers. First, approximately 1.35 million people die each year as a result of road traffic crashes. And the second reason is road traffic crashes cost most countries 3% of their gross domestic product, which is also known as GDP. Road traffic injuries are the leading cause of death for children and young adults aged 5 to 29 years. So, three key points are loss of money, loss of people, loss of building blocks of nation.
So now let me explain you our reason for choosing this specific project. Do you even know that how many children or young adults die in road accidents? It's a huge number, right? So there needs to be something done regarding this issue. Even mere minutes can make matters serious and make the patient fight between life and death. So using this technology, if we could even save mere minutes, then we could help probably a million or in the long run, even more than that. So that's our purpose for choosing this specific project.
As you have heard, the reasons because of which we are curious about this project. Now it's time to show some states to you, some data to you, so you can get to know and understand the worth and need of this project in our society. So first, first is World Health Organization data. This data is talking about death on the roads. So as we can see, the cost of one life is degraded as after 23 seconds, one or other man is dying just because of an accident. And when it comes to the people died in this year, it is more than 4,44,000. As we have gone through the data of world, now it's time to know about our nation, India. So for a better understanding, we have created two graphs. Firstly we have created pie chart, and secondly we have created a line graph. In pie chart, we are talking about deaths by road user category. So basically we have categorized and we have sectorized the deaths of road users. In second graph, we are talking about deaths per lakh population. And I would admit that both of these graphs are very frightening. The data of India is very frightening.
So let me just now explain the UI of this application. As you can see, there is a simple home page and then there are three dots at the corner. Those three dots give you options for notifications, search, rating, and share. Now, rating and share are self explanatory and will be done by the user if they wish so. And now, the notifications and search are important. The notifications enable user to know that how long the help has to arrive or how long he has to wait so that the policeman or the ambulance can reach to them. Then next, there is search, which can help users to search for the nearby hospitals, nearby police stations, so that they can get ensured that how long they have to wait. Now, coming to the home page again, there is an option for website. When clicked on that, it will enable the user to access our web page if needed in the dire circumstances or if he she needs to know about how the app works and more information about our technology. Next, coming back to the home page using the back button, there is an option for inquire. This can be used by user to know about us or to ask us anything if he she wants to, or even review or send his her suggestions so that we can improve the application. Next, coming back to the home page again, there is option for about us. When clicked on that, it will simply tell the user about us, about our motive, how we want to save life, how much we have saved lives, how much more we are planning ahead. And lastly, the calls option. This option can help user to call the registered mobile number which he she wants in case of emergency or to know about other mobile numbers and much more. Lastly, this is just a concept art of how the app could look. Might be the real application could be completely different. It's just a concept which can be made in form of app to help millions or even more than that in the long run. Thanks a lot.